Good morning, students.
Good morning,
Morning,
sir.
Morning,
sir.
sir.
Kaylee Raibag, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Chikodi, both classrooms, 20 and 22. 22 Ali, they're still assembling. Coordinators, can you please ensure children are there? Good morning. Nipani, good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, and New PU College, Raibag, good morning. Am I audible to New PU College? Yes. New PUC College. Yes. Raibag, audible, not audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Dharwad students, good morning.
Very good morning,
Good
sir.
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So, who would like to start this one? Before we start, some rules we will set. Uh, Coordinators, please make sure that you constantly keep going around the classes and ensure that students are writing down, and if any of students have any doubt, you please speak up in the mic if they are shy to speak. So after every question, I request coordinators to once ask your respective classes. ಏನಾದರೂ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ, such kind of things I would like you to ask them, and if anybody wants any repetition, anything like that, you should please let us know. Coordinators,
Okay.
did you understand that part?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And make sure that children are
Sir.
writing down notes, they are not looking here and there, they are participating actively. So please be uh, actively engaging with the students, and any uh, issues, please do bring it up to us during the class itself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Fine.
thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Thank you. So now we'll have a quiz. Let us see who will answer out of all these colleges. What did we cover last class? Yesterday. Which chapter?
Properties of determinants.
Yes. What all properties you learned, students? What all
If
properties you
the
learned?
if the determinant is zero,
Yes.
when two rows and columns are identical or
Identical
proportional.
or proportional.
Okay. Yes. Next, what property?
Properties.
Okay. Which property? Next.
If determinant A is equal to K, then determinant of A transpose is also is equal to K.
Okay. Okay. And then determinant AB equals,
Determinant of
Determinant
AB
A
into
into
A
determinant of
into determinant B.
and whenever two rows or columns are swapped, sign of
Sign
determinant
of determinants
Change.
changes.
changes. Okay. Then this is something that I think you learned and found it very useful, right? How to simplify determinants. What
Yes,
are
sir.
these operations called? Row or
Or
column
column operation.
operations.
operations. All of you understood this, right? Properly?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay.
yes.
And then we saw how some property, you can split a determinant into two determinants, right? And then we took up one question on logarithm and one on factorial,
Factorial.
right?
Sir.
Sir.
Okay. So now we also did this on row operations, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see. All Chikodi classroom 21, 22 all have assembled. Are you ready, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
21 ರೂಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
Ah,
ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಕೊಡ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ
Sir,
howda?
option A.
Okay.
ಅದ 22 and 20 ರೂಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ದಾಗ ಕೊಡಿಸಿದ್ದು
22 and 20. Okay. Nipani classroom 20 coordinator. Are all students ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So let's try to solve this question using the properties that we have learnt. Hmm? Let's
Sir,
see.
option A.
Let's see which student will tell the procedure. I don't want the answer. I want the procedure. Okay. Somebody told it is option A. Okay. What is your good name? Who answered option A?
BKPU College Chikkodi.
Uh,
Uh,
Chikkodi.
Room number 20.
Okay. Name ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೈಕ್ ದೂರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಿ so that
BKPU College Chikkodi. Room number 21.
okay, Likit. Okay. So now, how do you? What is the procedure you applied? Can you tell? Why answer is 0? Correct. Your answer is correct. It is 0. But why is it 0?
R1.
Very good. Which property we should apply?
R1.
Yes.
See.
R1 dash is equal to
R1 minus.
R1 minus R2.
R1
R1
minus
plus R1 plus R2.
R1 plus R2
R2 plus R3.
R3
R3.
ಮಾಡಿ. Add all the rows. Can you add all the rows and what do you get when you add everything here?
0.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ B minus B cancel ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ when you add?
Yes, sir.
A minus A cancel ಆಗತ್ತೆ, C minus C cancel ಆಗತ್ತೆ. So first row ಅಲ್ಲಿ every element will be what? 0
0.
0 0. So one entire row is 0. Therefore value of determinant will also be how much?
0. 0.
Okay. New PU College, Raibag, did you understand this one?
Sir.
Please note down, put a star mark. So many times they have given same question in CET. Okay. Same question. Note down this question. Anybody has any doubt before we proceed to the next one?
No,
Students?
sir.
No?
No, sir.
Okay. Have you all noted down the question?
Sir.
And note down the row operation that we did. Okay. All right. So we'll move on then, students.
Yes, sir.
Oh, this is something interesting. Something to do with cube roots. Okay, cubic equation. Can one of you read from one of the colleges? Which college? Raibag, whoever has the mic, can you read this one?
Alpha, beta, gamma are
Little
roots
loudly.
if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of x cube plus a square x plus b equal to 0, then the value of
This determinant alpha, beta,
Yes.
gamma, beta, gamma, alpha, gamma,
Alpha.
alpha, beta equals. Anta. Okay. Who can tell me what do you know about a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0? In 10th standard you have studied if the two roots are alpha and beta, can you tell me what is alpha plus beta? How much is alpha plus beta? Sum of roots. What is the sum of roots formula?
Minus b by a.
How many of you remember sum of roots alpha plus beta for a quadratic is how much? Minus b by
E by E.
all are able to recollect, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And product of roots again, what is the formula for product of roots?
C by a.
C by a. So
C
ಇದು
by A.
quadratic equation ಗೆ. Now what do we need? Are we dealing with quadratic now? No, right? We are dealing with cubic. So cubic equation go, please note down, if you have a cubic equation like this, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. What is the sum of roots going to be? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is this going to be? How much is this? ಅದೇ ಥರ ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ವಿ ರೈಟ್? ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಂತ ಬರೆದ್ವಿ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ
B
ಬೈ
by A.
A.
okay. Now here we had one term being added, right? One root being added. Because there are 3 roots, there are multiple ways of taking product. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ರೂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್: ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಬೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಗಾಮಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಗಾಮಾ ಆಲ್ಫಾ. This is product of roots only, but not all the roots. How many roots we are taking and multiplying? How many at a time? How many roots we are multiplying at a time? How many here?
2.
2. So this is called sum of product of roots taken 2 at a time. Okay, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. And this answer to this will be C by A. Okay, note down. This will be C by A. And then what is the next case? First time ಒಂದೊಂದು ರೂಟಾಗಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವಾಟ್? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ? Instead of multiplying 2, how many roots you should multiply?
3.
Should multiply all the 3. So what will that be? That will be alpha beta gamma. This is the third case. And what do you think this should be? This was minus B by A. This is plus C by A. So what will this be? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಅಗೇನ್ ಮೈನಸ್, alternate. Okay, and minus D by A. Please note down this result also. Any doubts? Any center में धारवाड़, चिक्कोडी, निपानी, रायबाग? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Sir.
Okay, now I'm going to give a chance to you. Let's see who can think. You should apply one of these properties and try to solve here. Okay, can you tell me in this equation how much is alpha plus beta plus gamma? How much is alpha plus beta plus gamma?
Minus B by A.
How much is B here? Compare this.
A square.
Is no, wrong. Can anyone tell me what is B? What is A? How much is A? Compare karo. How much is A? How much is
1.
A?
1.
A is 1. A is 1, right? All agree, right? Yes?
Sir.
How much is B?
A square.
A square.
A square.
Wrong da, wrong. Because x square ka coefficient is B. X square illi idiya? X square term idiya illi?
Yes.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿದೆ?
ಇದು.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ.
X.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ದಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಸ್
0.
ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್.
0.
0. So what you do, just so that you don't make the mistake, the moment you see x square is missing, you add that here. You add plus 0x square ಅಂತ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ? ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ 0.
0.
Okay, so now you use the formula alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus B by A. How much is B? B
0.
is 0. A
0.
is 1.
1.
So alpha plus beta plus gamma will be how much?
0.
Okay, I've given you the answer. Now tell me what is the next step. ಇನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಏನು ರೋ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡು? ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡು ಹಿಯರ್, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್?
C1 dash.
R1 dash. Last time tarane, you should write R1 dash as R1
R1 plus
plus
R2
R2
plus
plus R3.
R3
ಆಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಗಾಮಾ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
Sir.
Yes, sir.
And how much is alpha plus beta plus gamma?
0.
Zero.
0.
So the whole row will become 0.
0.
0.
So the final answer is
0. 0.
0.
okay. 0, right? Not 0. You have seen sometimes people say 0, right? Okay. Any doubts, students, on this?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No? Okay.
No, sir.
So, see, most of the time in CET, it's a good guess that you can make. Whenever determinants are there, most likely answer will be 0, like that only. They'll use some property. But don't take it for granted without solving. Okay? But many a times it's likely to be the answer, 0. Okay. I will tell you the answer. I want you to tell the method. For this question also, answer is 0. Can you tell me the method? Because if I ask you answer, you will guess and tell it is 0.
0.
But I want you to tell the method. Why this is 0? What row operation you will use? What is this given here? A plus A inverse. Matlab, A inverse matlab 1 by
1 by
A.
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 Can you expand this, students? Expand this. What do you get? Expand
Square
it.
plus 1 divided by
A square. Then
Plus
1.
1.
Plus
1 by
by
A.
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 A
A
whole
square.
square.
A square.
Then
Plus
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 2
2A B.
into
1.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A will get cancelled. Correct?
Cancel.
Yes, sir.
So what is the final answer here? A square
A
A
plus
plus
1 by A
1
square
by
plus
A square plus
plus
2.
2
Iga, can you quickly tell answer for this? What is A minus 1 by A whole square?
A square A square
minus
plus
plus
1 by
1 by
A
A
square
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 minus
minus
2
2A
2 into A.
A and 1 by A will get cancelled.
Cancel.
Okay. So, Iga, can you tell me if you want what row operation if you do between this row and this row you can generate same as 4. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 4 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? Okay, if you subtract both the rows, what do you get? What do you get? ಎರಡನ್ನು subtract ಮಾಡಿ. Subtract ಮಾಡಿದರೆ what do you get?
4.
You get 4,
4.
right? Because A square cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
4.
ಅಲ್ವಾ? 1 by A square cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This minus of minus will become plus.
Plus 4.
So 2 minus of minus 2 ಏನು ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ? 4.
4
ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ 4 ಸಿಗತ್ತಾ? Yes or no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the row operation we should apply? R2 dash is equal to
To
R2 minus R1
R2 minus
R1
R1 ಅಲ್ಲ
R3.
R3.
R3. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
yes sir
ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಬಂದು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 4 4 4. ಬಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ನಿಮಗೆ 4 4 4 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ವಾಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್
Identical rows.
2 rows are identical, determinant is
0.
0. Can you note down, students? Any doubts in this? Chikodi students, any doubts? should I repeat anything, Chikodi students? Coordinators, are there any doubts? Can you answer from each center?
No doubts.
Okay. Raibag students have understood this one?
Can you repeat it once again?
Okay, from beginning I will repeat.
Yes, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ a plus 1 by a whole square. I am expanding that as a square plus 1 by a square plus 2ab. ಅಂದರೆ 2 into a into 1 by a. ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So these three terms you will get. This step you understood? Yes. A square plus 1 by a square plus 2. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ here you will get a square plus 1 by a square minus 2 you will get. Okay, just a minute. So a square plus 1 by a square plus 2 and minus 2 you will get. Now what we are doing, I'll expand it here. I'll keep the first row like this only, 4 4 4. Here you will get a square plus 1 by a square plus 2, a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. ಅದೇ ಥರ b square plus 1 by b square plus 2, b square plus 1 by b square minus 2. Then you will get c square plus 1 by c square plus 2, c square plus 1 by c square minus 2. Now apply this row operation. Subtract these two. When you subtract these two, you will end up getting how much? 4 alva, because a square cancel agate, 1 by a square cancel agate, 2 minus of minus 2, that will give you how much? 4. So second row every term will become 4 4 4, and if first row and second row are identical, what is the value of the determinant? 0. That was the first property we wrote, right? Whenever two rows are identical or proportional, determinant is to 0.
0.
Isn't it? Okay. Now did you understand, whoever asked the doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is your name, student?
Sneha.
Sneha from
Chikodi.
Chikodi. Okay. Thank you, Sneha. Shall we move to the next one, students? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah, boss.
Okay. So this cube roots of unity I will take up later. Do this. This is a easy question. Which property? Look at the notes. Can you tell me which property they are asking? They have given matrix A, right? They have given matrix A here. Matrix A is given. Matrix B is given. And they are asking what is the value of determinant of AB. Which property you should use? Who can tell me?
Determinant of A into B is equal to determinant
Yes.
of A
Very
into
good.
determinant of B
Determinant of AB is equal to
is equal to determinant of
determinant A into
determinant of
determinant B.
B.
C.
Option C.
Option C.
ಈಗ calculate each fellow's determinant. Very good.
Minus 28, sir.
This
Minus
deter-
28.
Is it? Okay, let's see. This determinant will be 1 into minus 1. How much is that? Minus 1. Then minus 6.
6.
So this is minus 7. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಿಕ್ತಾಪ minus 7 determinant?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the determinant here? 1 minus of minus 3.
Plus C.
It will be
4
4.
Plus 4.
Plus 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So when you multiply both, you will get
Minus
28.
28.
What do you say? Easy question or difficult?
Easy.
Okay, easy question. Now before we move on to the next question, I'll give you one thought for the day. Okay, Generally, in school and all, you used to have, I think, no? Assembly you used to
Yes,
have
sir.
in school?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. So, can you tell me what is the spelling of this? What is the word here? What is this word?
Danger.
Anger.
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 Anger. Okay.
Anger.
And what is this?
Danger.
Danger.
So now you tell me what is the lesson that you can learn in life from this? Anger
Is a danger.
Danger.
leads to
Danger.
Danger.
danger. Danger. Yes. And how many of you feel this anger, especially in your young age, is maximum, and that too, especially to your most beloved poor mother? How many agree? Yes? Yes or no, students?
Sir.
So you should make sure that you control your anger. Mm, When we become angry, what happens? We forget all the good things done by that person. And we
Yes, yes.
only focus on that one moment. They would have done so many good things, but all that we will forget and only focus on that one moment. Why did you do this? Like that. So whenever you are angry, what is the best method? Just
Silent.
be silent, drink some water, go out of the place, have some fresh air, come back, or play and come. That's all. Okay. So don't especially get angry at your parents. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Mom Tagaju.
Okay. This is a very, very important question. Put a star mark. Okay. CET several times they ask this question. Can we look at this question? Okay, they have given ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, right? This is what is given, and they're saying that equals this determinant. Determinant and that both are equal ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. And then they're asking, find which value? Find E, right? Yes or no, students? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you think and tell me what can be a very, very easy approach? You'll be surprised when I tell the answer. Ishtena anta. Okay. Okay, I'm going to teach you one lesson in mathematics, but you should promise me you will not apply this in life. Can you promise me? Then I'll
Yes,
teach.
sir.
Yes,
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 sir.
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 please
Cause
do.
fortune. No, no.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the lesson in mathematics is whenever you don't need anybody, just kill him. Just what should you do? Just you should kill him.
Kill him.
Okay. So here you had many people, right? A, B, C, D, E. But now whom do you need? You only need
E.
so you have to kill A, B, C, D. Now it's very tough to kill A, B, C, D. Why? Because A, B, C, D are constants, alva?
Constant.
They
Yes.
are fixed. You
Yes,
cannot
sir.
change
Yes,
the
sir.
value of that. But
Right, right, sir.
next to A, there is a variable sitting. And who is that variable?
Yes.
Yes.
And x ಗೆ ಏನೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬಹುದು ನೀವು to kill that whole term. So what value of x if you put a will
Zero.
get killed?
Zero.
Zero.
Zero. So you don't need all of them.
Zero.
So what you should put x value as?
Zero.
Zero. Zero.
And when you
Zero.
put x as 0 on the left hand side, you should put x
Zero.
as 0 on the right hand side
Right hand side.
also.
Zero.
ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆನೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಝೀರೋ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್? ಓಕೆ.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಮೂವೀಸಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೇ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೀರೋ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್, ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಕಿಲ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ಲನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ? He will try to kidnap the heroine and thinking that okay, I will kill
Heroine is very
like hero Yeah, please don't make heroine as variable, okay? You should have constant, all right? Otherwise, you can't say, okay, today this heroine, tomorrow that. That's not right, okay? That's not our Indian value system, at least. So, okay, so put x as 0 on both sides and get the answer. Tell me what is the answer. Put x as
0.
0. Left
0,
Zero.
hand
sir.
side only e equals determinant of determinantalu 0 hake 0
Zero plus
0,
minus 1 plus 3 then
3,
1
1
Plus
plus
1.
1, 0,
0
0.
minus
minus 4,
4
4.
minus
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 3,
3.
4.
plus
Plus
4,
4.
zero.
0.
0,
okay so calculate the answer here
0,
0, sir.
0.
0
0.
you'll get
Has.
oh are you sure
0,
you'll get
0,
0 okay so 0 into anything is 0 minus of minus 1 so 1 anta baratte illi 1 into isn't it? So first term when you expand along this row you will get 0 into anything is 0 then minus of minus 1 andre plus 1 into 0 minus
minus
12 so 0 minus 12
Minus
baratte
12.
then
Okay.
plus
plus 3,
3 into 4 okay
4.
so minus 12 and plus 12 will get cancelled
0.
right
Cancel.
so answer is 0
0.
Option C.
so what's the lesson which you should apply only in mathematics and not in life if you don't need
Killing.
anybody
Just kill.
kill him
Kill.
okay so don't apply it in life all right so you can't be so inhuman all right so now there are some variations of this question that they can ask in JEE etc okay so one variation is sometimes they may ask the value of d if they ask value of d how do you solve this any idea students
X equal to 1.
if you put x equal to 1 unfortunately all of these will start to exist right x equal to
Yes,
1
sir.
ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ b ಬರುತ್ತೆ c ಬರುತ್ತೆ d ಬರುತ್ತೆ e ಬರುತ್ತೆ so it will be a little tough right so in such cases you know what you should do you should differentiate this when you differentiate this what will you get ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x ಪವರ್ 4 will become what
4x
4x cube.
4x cube then x cube will become
3x
3x. 3x square.
x square will
2x.
become
2x.
2x
2.
x will become
1.
1 and when you
1.
differentiate constant it will become
0.
0.
so this constant will go away but which will become the new constant
D.
D.
d will become the new constant
Constant.
ಅಲ್ವಾ? So
Yes.
now in this new expression you should put x as 0 ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ x as 0
0.
but if you are differentiating left hand side you should also differentiate
Right hand side.
right hand side so I'm going to tell you how to differentiate a determinant okay please write heading as differentiating a determinant differentiating a determinant and write only one line how to differentiate anta to differentiate a determinant write second and third rows as it is and differentiate only the first row.
Sir, repeat it, please.
I will repeat. see,
Yes, sir.
only differentiate first row. Which row I want you to differentiate? Which row? First row. Okay, second
row.
and third row as it is baribeku.
As it is very big.
Okay, so differentiate first row, keep second and third row as it is. Okay, then plus differentiate second row, keep first and third row as it is. Product rule, do you remember differentiation? What is product rule? What is u into v whole dash? What is u into v whole dash?
U as it
U
is.
dash v
2 dash v
plus
plus
v dash
U.
U
ಒಬ್ಬನ್ನ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದನ್ನ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್
as
ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು.
it is it is.
ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮುಟ್ಟಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ದರ್, differentiate first row, keep second and third row as it is. Okay, then you say repeat the same procedure for the other rows. Repeat the same procedure for other rows. Okay, repeat the same procedure for the other rows and add them Okay, can you try to differentiate this? I'll differentiate it here only, down. Okay, I'll erase this part and we'll try to find the value of d. Okay, so ide question alli let's find value of d. All understood the procedure, students? Differentiate ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir.
Okay, so first row ಮಾತ್ರ differentiate ಮಾಡಿ. What do you get when you differentiate only first row?
3x square
3x square
Square
3x square
plus
plus 3
plus
3, then 1
1
1
ಈಗ
minus
1 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
minus
And
1
1
second and
One.
third row you should write as it is. ಅಲ್ವಾ?
minus 4 x
Yes,
minus
yes.
4 x minus
x minus
plus
3
4
Plus 4
3x
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 plus
plus
keep first and third row as it is. Second row ಹೇಳಿಪ, what do you get?
1
1
1
minus 2
minus 2
1
1
1
and
x
third
minus
row will be
four,
this way
three.
only.
as it is.
Okay, and ಈಗ first and second row you keep it as it is.
Adeu.
Third row differentiate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 1
1
1
1
3
3
Now in all of these determinant and left hand side when you differentiate, that also you'll write here, you'll get 4a x cube
x cube
plus
b
3b x square
x square plus
plus
c
2cx
2cx
plus d.
d
Right? Now to find d, what you should do? Put x as
is equal to 0
0
Zero.
for both
Zero.
on both sides, right? So
Right.
put x as 0 on both sides. Put x as 0 on both sides. Okay. So first determinant calculate ಮಾಡಿ. When you put x as 0, what will you get? I'll
3.
write
3
this will become 3, right? So 3 1
1
1
1 1
1
1
1
minus sorry 1 0
0
0 and
-4
minus 4 and
minus 3,
minus 3
4,
plus 4
0.
0.
Okay. So now if you expand along the first row, 3 into 16 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ 3 into 16
16
then minus 1 into minus 12 then plus 1 into 4 this is what you will get 64 ಬರುತ್ತೆ isn't it
64.
first determinant ಬಂದು 64 ಬರುತ್ತೆ second and third can you quickly solve second determinant I will solve
0,
here
0,
I'll solve
0,
here yeah correct 0 minus
minus 1,
1
plus 1,
3,
3
3
1,
1
1
minus
minus
2
2,
1
1, minus 3,
minus 3 4
4,
4
3.
0 0.
okay so expand along the first row only so this will be 1 into plus 3 right then plus
4
3
sir. Sir 4.
4,
hang 4 appa
1,
4
1 into 5,
1
3,
into 1 into 0 1 into 0 ಎಷ್ಟು 0 minus of minus 3
3.
plus 3 correct alwa
Yes sir.
then plus 3 into here plus 4 then minus 6 so this is 3 into minus 2 this is minus 6
minus 2
and
minus
plus
6,
3
minus
minus
6
3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ answer will be minus 3
minus 3.
okay so here answer is minus 3 now the last determinant we should calculate this will be how much 0
0
minus 1
minus 1 3
3,
3
3,
1
1,
1
minus
0,
sorry 1
2
0
0, 0,
0 0
sir, 0,
minus 4,
yeah 0 and minus 4
minus 4,
4
okay
1, 1, 3,
1 1
1, 1, 3,
okay so can you tell me answer here
71
so you'll get 7 first idu jotege multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you'll get 7 correct
Yes sir.
then plus 3 so total
10
is 10
10
so now you have to add all of them 64 plus 10 74 74 minus 3
71
71 okay that's the
71,
value of D
71.
what do you think will they ask this in CET exam for 1 minute yes or no do you think they'll ask this
Yes, sir.
yes sir,
1 minute ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬಹುದು
No, sir.
mostly they may not ask in CET but they may ask in JEE mains if you are writing okay how many are planning to write JEE mains students not many
Right.
Hmm. sometimes they may ask in COMED K ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು okay CET generally they'll ask only constant term E but D ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ you should differentiate once okay any doubts students or
No,
can we proceed to the next one
No sir.
no, sir.
okay okay thanks man ಇದು easy question answer ಮಾಡಿ they are telling both the determinants are equal calculate the value of this determinant how much will you get
option E sir
very good 2x square alwa minus
Option
Option C. 40. Option C.
40
3 sir.
option
and
C
54, sir.
54 plus 34
My, yes.
okay so this is 84 so you'll get 124 2x square is 124 very good so x square will be I mean 128 alwa I'm sorry yeah so x square will be 64 so x will be what
8 plus or minus 8
minus 8
8
yes okay. Plus or minus 8 okay so any doubts on this or was it a straightforward question
straight
Nipani students any doubts children on this
No,
concept?
no,
Both the
sir.
classrooms? Yes, okay.
No.
No doubt, okay. One other important thing many students do not know. Let me check whether you are aware of this. How much is root x square? How much is root x square?
X.
X.
Many of us
Plus
say
or minus.
answer is x.
Sir.
Wrong.
Plus or minus x.
No,
-1.
wrong. Plus or
Plus or
minus
minus
x is also
minus
wrong. Root x square is mod x. Please make a note. Many times CET questions come on this and students end up writing root x square as x. ತಪ್ಪು. ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 36, ಇದನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್? ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್
X is equal to 6
Plus or minus
6.
6.
Actually, you know what we do? We write x is equal to plus or minus root 36. Okay, but root 36 answer is always positive number. How much is root 36? 6. But ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಐ ಪುಟ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್, ಬಟ್ ರೂಟ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್?
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ 36 ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 6 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ,
Okay, sir.
I will tell you where this type of questions will come. Sometimes they will give you a question like this: root of x minus 3 whole square. Okay, limit x tends to 2. Can you tell me what is the answer for this?
1, sir.
1.
One.
1.
1 square, sir. 1.
See, what
1,
we,
sir.
what we would do, if you cancel directly like this, what you will get answer as?
1, sir.
1, sir.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
What
Minus
you will
1.
get answer as minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
You can't do that. So what you should do?
Minus
You should put mod x minus 3. So you'll get mod of minus 1, which will be what? 1.
Plus 1. Plus 1.
Or
Plus
sometimes instead of mod they may write like this: root of x minus 3 whole square they may write like this: root of x minus 3 whole square. Next step alli they'll write as 3 minus x. Why did they write 3 minus x? Any idea? Because x minus 3, was x minus 3 positive or negative?
Positive, sir. Positive.
x ಗೆ 2 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ when you put x as 2, 2 minus 3 positive or negative?
Negative, sir.
Negative.
So that means x minus 3 is negative number, alwa?
Yes, sir.
You
negative,
cannot
yes.
quote answer as negative number. So ಅದನ್ನ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ instead of x minus 3 we will write it as 3 minus
3
x.
minus x.
Are you understanding?
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Either I can write like this or I can write mod of x minus 3.
X minus 3.
ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ it won't be 3 minus x. Only if it is negative that x minus 3 will become 3 minus x.
X.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x minus 3 will remain as x minus 3 only. Clear, right, students?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. This is another property. I think I missed out this property. It's a very, very important property. Please note down. If determinant A is k,
135.
or if determinant A is, let's say,
135. Option A.
option A, all are clear? If determinant A is k, what will be determinant of 3A? 3a andre it will be 3 power n
3.
into k, where n is the order of the matrix. See, I will tell you why. When I multiply it with 3, I'm multiplying every row with 3. Correct, Appa? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 And when I multiply every row with 3,
Option B.
then determinant tagivaga, this 3 will get multiplied with 3 into 3. So 3 3s are esto? 9.
9.
9 will get multiplied with 3.
27.
So
Option
27.
A.
7.
Option A.
Yes. So answer is
Option A.
27 into 5, which is option.
Option A.
Option A. Option A, sir.
35.
Arthayta
Option A.
appa? Whenever
Yes, sir.
they
Yes,
ask
sir.
3a, it will be 3 power n into the determinant. 3 power n into determinant a, like this. Okay. Okay. So this is also important. Many times they ask in CET. One last question. We'll stop after this. Okay. Any doubts on this? Dharwad students, any doubts?
No, sir. Sir.
No? Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, so do this. It's easy one. If determinant of a cube is 343, how much is x anta kelidane? So if determinant a cube is 343, can you tell me how much is determinant a? 343 is cube of which number? 343 is 7 cube. Alva? 343 means 7 cube.
Cube.
So cube and cube will cancel. So how much is determinant a? How much is determinant a?
Plus or minus.
7.
Plus or minus root 7.
So now solve. Determinant a is x square
Option
minus
B.
4. That has to be 7. So x will be how much? Plus or minus root
11.
11.
Option B.
Option B.
Okay. All agree? It's a easy question, students?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think, okay, one more we'll take up and then stop. This will be our last question. Okay. Let's do this. A and B are square matrices of the same order. Determinant A, how much is determinant A? 2.
2.
2.
And how much is A into B? AB is how much?
2i.
2i. They are asking what is value of determinant B.
B.
B. Option A.
Which property you will use, children? You should use the property determinant A, B equals determinant A
A into
into
determinant of
determinant.
Of B.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Iga instead of AB, what you can substitute?
2.
2i.
So
2i, sir.
determinant of 2i is equal to determinant A into determinant.
B.
B.
How much is determinant of 2i? Identity matrix determinant estappa?
1.
1. So
1 0
this 2i do estirutte?
2. 2.
2 0
8.
8. Just now we saw, right? Order 3 andre ಒಂದೊಂದು ರೋನು 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ multiply ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it will not be 2 times of 1, rather 2 cube into 1.
Option B.
So this will become how much? 8.
8, sir.
8, and determinant A is 2. So determinant B will be obviously
4.
4.
Option B.
Okay.
4.
Raibach students, all of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
both
sir.
the sections.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nippani students, any doubts? Both
No, sir.
classrooms? How many questions we did today? Chikkodi, Dharwad, and New PU College, Raibag. Any doubts? Whatever we did
No,
today?
sir.
No,
No, sir.
Okay. So happy weekend. Thank you for your patient hearing.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Rahul.
Thank
Bye,
you.
sir.
Bye.
Rahul.